얘가 한 동작이 아니라 수백 가지의 패턴들을 인식하고 있어서 그것에 맞춰서 이 사람의 입술의 어떤 스타일이나 패턴에 맞게 얘가 그려준다라고 보시면 될 것 같습니다.
It takes like the hair dye.
It's about 2 minutes to apply.
2 minutes?
It's very, very fast.
CES의 뜨거운 현장 유튜브 채널 통해서 확인하세요. IT 커뮤니케이터 김덕진 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다.
I'm Grégoire.
Yeah.
I'm in charge of the product development engineering in the US.
Yeah.
And we are very proud this year to be at the CES because it's our 10th year. We are launching and revealing AirLight Pro, and we will guide you through a couple of demonstrations that show all the innovation we have been accomplishing those past 10 years.
Okay.
And also having a very sneak peek of AirLight Pro. And you will be able to experience it and try it.
Oh really? Oh, I'm very interested. Excited.
Let's go?
Let's go.
Okay,
네,
this way.
가보시죠. 너무 재밌겠다.
We are extremely excited on this product because it's our first smart applicator that will help people having some limited mobility to have back some autonomy and being able to apply very fine makeup gesture. So we want to demonstrate a bit the technology capabilities. Ooh. And this smart applicator is actually able to compensate for flexion limitation, but also rotation because the motion of the hand can be limited. And it will help to also compensate some shaking or unstable motion to apply lipstick. So the goal of this demonstration is really to present the capabilities of this product. That is actually a marvel of technology because it's a miniaturized motor managed by onboard computer with a sensor, a 9-axis sensor that is able to compensate and keep the lipstick always leveled.
Yeah. Can I use any lipstick in general with Hapta, or there are lipstick specially for Hapta?
It's an excellent question. The current model you are seeing here is only working with Lancôme, Lancôme lipstick. But for launch, we will be able to have a universal adaptation for any lipstick.
Yep. Oh, and I heard that there are 100 different patterns or trembling to help to apply lipstick to my lips. But how does that work? Does it automatically make recommendation, or do I have to pick them out?
The diversity of condition is very, very wide, and we try to design this tool to help as much as possible in terms of condition, but we will not be able to address them all. So we are this year perfecting the technology and running clinical studies to know exactly the extent of the compensation. So I don't have numbers yet, it's in the making.
Oh, yeah. Will Hapta have additional features like face makeup in addition to apply lipstick?
Yes, so for launch it will be lipstick, but we are aiming to add, for example, mascaras and additional product on it. But it will be, we are in tech and we like to do a version 1, version 2 and keep improving. So that's in the roadmap.
So I'm curious about the price and release schedule of Hapta.
So Hapta is about how we would do tech for good. So we plan to make it as affordable as possible. For now, we are targeting about $200 US for the device, and plus the cost of the lipstick. But closer to launch, we will have the appropriate number.
Yes. So the last question also, for people with physical disabilities, removing makeup is just as important as applying it. So is there any technology development or attempts to automatically remove makeups?
It's a very good idea. You should patent that.
Thank you.
So at this stage, no, we are really focusing on the painting gesture. People in 10 who are suffering for limited mobility and limited gesture capability. So we want first to focus on those ones that cannot apply this beauty gesture that is lipstick.
이게 제가 제일 감동적으로 봤었던 햅타라고 하는 어떤 이 기계인데요. 이게 아무래도 거동이 불편하신 분들이 립스틱 바르는 게 상당히 어렵잖아요. 근데 그거를 아주 쉽게 도와주는 랑콤에서 이제 함께하는 기술입니다. 그리고 이게 지금 랑콤 립스틱을 이제 껴야 된다고 하는데 나중에는 유니버셜하게 여러 가지를 낄 수 있고요. 가격대도 아무래도 이제 어려우신 분들, 특히나 이게 이제 사회적 공헌이다 보니까 그렇게 비싸지 않게 아주 괜찮은 가격으로 나올 것 같은데 실제로 이게 어떻게 동작하는지 제가 국내 최초로 여러분들께 한번 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 한번 눌러보겠습니다. 오. 오케이. 오, 이제 이게 보이시죠? 이게 로봇이 이렇게 도와주는 거예요. 그럼 어떤 식으로 도와주느냐? 얘가 한 동작이 아니라 수백 가지의 패턴들을 인식하고 있어서 그것에 맞춰서 이 사람의 입술의 어떤 스타일이나 패턴에 맞게 얘가 그려준다라고 보시면 될 것 같습니다. 팔의 떨림이나 아니면 거기에 있는 진동들까지도 이제 만들어 주는 것인데요. 실제로 보면 이제 제가 만약에 있다라고 생각해 보시고 제 입술을 이렇게 그려준다라고 생각하시면 실제로 여기 보시는 것 있죠. 이 사람들의 입술이나 상태들을 맞춰서 얘가 그려주는 형태예요. 그래서 지금 이건 이제 데모의 형태인데 이거 지금 보시는 것처럼 실제 사람들의 입술처럼 저런 것들을 잘 이렇게 만드는 모습을 볼 수 있습니다.
I think we should
Yeah.
the start of the
Airlight
the
Pro.
year.
Yeah.
So Airlight Pro is the result of extremely successful collaboration
Yeah.
with the Chinese startup called Zuvi.
아, Chinese startup.
Yes,
Yeah.
they invented this infrared way of drying hair faster. So you know, regular hair dryer is
Yeah.
actually the second most energy-consuming appliances in household, and it was traditionally done with regular coil, rod of coil, where you are having hair going through resistors that are heating very high at very high temperature
Yeah.
the air. And we are very proud to introduce you ColorSonic,
Yeah, ColorSonic.
which will be launched this year in the US in summer. So it's our first at-home hair color device
cool. Yeah.
that is revolutionizing the way we apply hair color. So the way it works is it comes with 40 cartridge, ammonia-free,
40 cartridges.
40 different shades
Yeah.
that you can pick the color you want. You snap this cartridge in the reusable housing. Then you pop the cartridge in the device. The device will automatically recognize what is the cartridge. And thanks to this very special oscillating and bristles that are oscillating 300 times per minute, it will be pumping, mixing right on the top. So that means you can apply your hair color directly like you were brushing your hair, from roots to the tip. The other cool thing that we have developed is this cartridge, which is exactly like this, is reusable.
Oh, cool.
So today, when you open a box of hair color, you need to mix, and after the leftover is lost. In this case, you just consume what you need, and you can keep it for a retouch a couple of weeks later or a couple of months later, up to 3 usages. The cardboard also that is part of the packaging allows us to be 53% using this 53% less plastic than a regular home box color.
Oh, cool. So, I'm curious about the principle of ColorSonic.
Very good questions.
Yeah.
So it will be available at $129.99 for the device and $29.99 for the cartridge, up to 3 applications.
Cool. And does it smell less than conventional hair dye when I dye my hair using ColorSonic?
So it will smell in a similar way, but slightly different because we remove the ammonia and different. So the formula is way cleaner, but still you will have a smell.
Need to change the brush part that touch my hair?
No.
No.
Not at all. This is this part stays with the device. You only just need to change the cartridge, and you can clean it between usage. So you just put the water on.
Ah,
the
really?
device.
Put the water?
Yeah. It's
Oh, cool.
it's waterproofed.
Oh, very nice. Oh,
One thing to mention,
Yep.
though, and that's what you can see on this
Oh.
animation,
yeah.
is this device is designed to fit any type of hair, from curly to very wavy. So that's because this motor here is adapting the speed to the type of hair.
Oh, how many weight? I think it's light.
It's very
Yeah,
light.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
very light. It's quite long because we want people to be able to apply
Yeah.
in their back without the help of
아,
someone.
really? 이게 좀 길어야 이게 되니까. Okay.
Yeah. But it's a very lightweight device.
Oh, cool. And how much does it ColorSonic cost?
Okay, so $129.99 for the device
Yeah.
and $29.99 for the cartridge.
For the cartridge, and I'll buy the 40 shades. And can I mix them?
So you can change one versus another, but you cannot mix the shade in one cartridge.
When it launching in Korea or Asia?
Good question.
Yeah.
It's an exclusivity for the US first in 2024.
2024.
And we plan to expand starting 2025. But I don't have yet a date for Korea.
Presentation this one, and she said, amazing. It's amazing.
It's amazing! The color is so vibrant.
Yeah, she tried and it's amazing. That's cool. 이거 상당히 괜찮네요. 자, 이거 설명을 해드리면요, 이 카트리지를 바꾸기만 하면 컬러소닉을 쓸 수 있다는데요. 놀라운 건 이게 한 40가지 정도 색깔이 있고, 이걸 좀 쓰다 남잖아요. 남으면 다시 붙여서 이렇게 할 수 있다고 그래요. 그 다음에 이걸 여기다 껴가지고 실제로 이렇게 딸깍해가지고 쓰는 방식인데, 실제로 무겁지가 않아요. 생각보다 가벼워요. 그리고 가볍고, 이거를 또 이제 이렇게 이제 하게 되면 이게 배터리가 나오고 들들들들들 하면서 이렇게 눌러지게 되는 방식이라고 해요. 이렇게 해서 들들들 해서 나와서 이걸로 머리를 이렇게만 해주면 바로 염색이 되고요. 이렇게 한 다음에 이렇게 그냥, 이게 또 긴 이유가 이 뒤를 이렇게 해야 되잖아요. 그래서 뒤를 할 때 상당히 길게 돼 있다고 합니다. 그런데도 무게가 가벼워가지고 아주 간편하게 쓸 수 있을 것 같고요. 이게 다른 색으로 염색할 수도 있잖아요. 그럴 때는 이거를 물로 씻을 수 있다고 그래요. 그래서 물로 씻어서 할 수 있다고 하고, 실제로 미국에는 올해 안에 출시가 된다고 그러고, 우리나라에서는 이제 내년 2025년 정도에 가능하지 않을까라고 지금 얘기하고 있는 상황입니다. 어쨌든 이게 참 놀라워요. 그래서 이렇게 할 때 아까 It's amazing 했는데 저는 참 놀랍습니다. 이렇게 해봐야 될 것 같습니다. 상당히 혁신적인 제품이고, 암모니아가 없다고 그래요. 그래가지고 아무래도 머릿결이 안 좋으시거나 또 암모니아 때문에 염색 못 하시는 분들 꽤 많이 있거든요. 그런데 이제 흰머리 특히 있으신 분들은 이 부분만 이렇게 치면서 집에다가 하나 갖다 놓기 상당히 괜찮은 제품인 것 같습니다. 컬러소닉 상당히 마음에 듭니다. 아이폰보다 이제 아이폰 맥스보다 훨씬 가벼운 것 같아요. 아이폰 맥스보다 가벼운데 약간 길이가 있다 보니까 이게 무게가 분산되는 형태는 있는데, 여기 배터리가 있고 카트리지가 있고, 이렇게 들더라도 그냥 아이폰 맥스 정도 드는 정도 느낌? 그게 좀 길게 되는 요 정도라고 볼 수 있을 것 같습니다.
So this cartridge is very simple. You put water inside,
Yeah.
like this, and then you close it, and you do like exactly like this. You insert it, and that's what I was actually making you try. You see the blue check mark. That means it's ready for cleaning. And you have to put your device like this. It will automatically start. And it will empty out the cleaning cartridge until it's fully clean. So it's an automatic cleaning process. When you do a hair color, we usually, depending on the hair growth, it's about 3 weeks before starting to get some roots being not at the right color. So we usually say after a hair color, you need 3 weeks to retouch. And you do a hair color every 2 months. A full one. But you can do a retouch every 3 weeks so that you can extend a bit.
cool. 맞아요. 저도 이제 새치가 계속 껴가지고 새치 낄 때마다 이거를 맨날 염색하러 가기 귀찮은데 3주에 한 번 정도 계속하면 일부 계속 새치 생길 때 여기만 이렇게 할 수 있다고 합니다. 네, 좋습니다.
How long it takes like the hair dye?
It's about 2 minutes to apply.
2 minutes?
It's very, very fast because it will dispense evenly and extremely rapidly. So you will saturate every strand at a very quick pace. So it's way faster.
Yeah.
After the 2 minutes application, you have to wait 20 minutes for the color to apply, and then you rinse.
For 20 minutes you have to wait after the dye?
Yes, you have to wait because that's the normal process of the chemistry.
오, cool. 2분이면 염색 끝나고요. 20분만 기다리면 그 다음부터 아주 일상에 활동할 수 있다니까 시간도 그렇고 유지력도 그렇고 이거 확실히 is a game changer and thanks to technology. Very good. 예, 좋은 것 같아요. 네.
Actually, you said without ammonia, you used a different technology for hair dye.
Yes, it's a brand new technology that our laboratory have been developing in the US that is dedicated for this one. It's a greener formula.
I'm impressed about the L'Oreal has a venture fund and many partnership with companies to implement the various technology. So are there any collaboration or investment with Korean companies or startups?
Oh, of course. If you look at the 3D shoe brow that we
3D
announced
shoe
last
brow?
Yes, I can show you. Prinker, which is a startup, a very successful startup
Yep.
from Korea.
Oh, cool.
So actually, they are on the floor.